Hello everyone, how to add text to video. So let's start the first. Open your clipchamp and click on the create a new video. Wait for the few seconds to open here. Then go to the left hand side, click on the import media. Here I select my video and click on the open. And here video is added. Just drag the video and drop here your timeline. And to add the text in video, just go to the left hand side and click on the text option. You can see the plain text and different text style is available. To check the preview of the text animation, just keep cursor on the text and you can see the preview of text animation. To add the text, just drag and drop here. Place it top of your video. And before edit the text, play video and check the text style. So I just play. Everyone, how I just mute this video first. Now I play this video to check the text style. See here the text style. And if you want to text appear at a certain part of the video, you just drag the handle of your text and set where you want. Okay. If you want to change the text style, you just drag the another text style and drop and replace your new text style. Now I just play this video and see the changes here. Another text style is added. Now next is customize text. To customize text, just click on text here. Then you can see in the preview also text is selection. You can move anywhere and set your text in video. You can drag the corner point and increase the size of your text. After selection, go to the right hand side and click on the text option. And here you just type your text. So I just edit here and type here Google Chrome. Then I just drag the corner point and decrease the size and set here. You can change here the font style. So just click on this drop down arrow and select here the font style. Then you can change the size. From here also alignment, text color. So I select here the text color and line color you can change here. See the changes over here. Position you can set from here also. Just click on this box and you can see here the position is set of your text in video preview. And the next, the effects option, the right hand side, the effects option. You can choose the different effects of your text. Okay. I select this one and see the changes over here. You can change the effect intensity, grains. I just play this video and see here the text effects also added. And then adjust color option is also available. You can adjust the color, transparency, and fade option also available. You can set the fade in and fade out. So that's it. This is a way you can add text to video in clipchamp. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.